Hey kids, it's Mrs. Heskett here. Some of you have already logged on to Google and have figured out how to do your sites, which is your web page. In Google, it's called Google Sites. That's just another name for their web page. So one way to do it is the best way that we figured out with the other classes, go to your waffle and then go to Google Drive. Lots of things can be done just through Google Drive. It's pretty amazing. And you're going to want to go to New. So click on New. Don't click on folder, wait for it to load, and when you get to go down to more like you would for going to Google Drawings, and then go down and click on Google Sites. Exciting times, making some web pages. I'm gonna move myself around, just waiting for this to come up. Okay, so here's the Google web page, and this is called Google Sites. So what you need to do first off is go in and title it. So say I was going to write about my web page is going to be about Martin Luther. That's where I'd put that. And then title it here. Do not write by Mrs. Heskett or by your name, because when you go to a web page, do you ever see who creates it? No, that's at the bottom. Let's not do that. So just hold off on that. You can find different layouts here. So if you click those, that will allow you to add pictures and you can add text. Down here, there's different, you can add more pages, but please don't do that. Just do one page, just one page. And we will work on this. You can change the color. You can change the style. Oh, look, there's Aristotle. That's pretty cool. And then you can change all of these and the color schemes. So work with those along there. Do not publish because we're not to that point yet. But when you get to see right now, it's only a draft, and like this is mine, so I can add who can edit. So we're going to get to a point where I'm going to have you do that. And anyone at Hoxie Community can find these pages when you publish, but please don't do that yet. We'll get to that. So just work on adding your content. Add your content first, and then go back and change your fonts, your colors, the text, all the fun stuff. You can add pictures. They're easy to add if you just hit insert images, and you got it. You guys got this. Have fun. Oh, I wish Facebook would not do that. Oh well. Hey, enjoy doing this. It's a lot of fun.